Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Hyundai Tucson software. Keeping your vehicle's software current ensures you have the latest features and improvements. Before we begin, make sure your engine is running and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will also need a USB drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage capacity, formatted to FAT32. This preparation is crucial for a smooth update process. Next, you'll need to download the update files. Head over to the official Hyundai Navigation Update website on your computer. Carefully select your specific Hyundai Tucson model to ensure you get the correct software version. Once downloaded, transfer these files to your formatted USB drive. Make sure all files are copied completely and correctly. This step is vital for a successful installation in your vehicle. Now, let's install the software in your vehicle. Insert the USB drive into your Hyundai Tucson's USB port, usually located near the center console. On your infotainment system screen, navigate to the Settings or Setup menu and find the System Info or Software Update option. Follow the Clear on-screen prompts to begin the installation. The update process typically takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour to complete. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to verify the update. Go back to your system settings and check the software version to confirm it matches the latest release. Your infotainment system might reboot a few times during or after the process, which is perfectly normal. Now you can enjoy the enhanced features, improved navigation, and overall better performance of your Hyundai Tucson. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.